Certain Chinese astrology is based on a 12-year cycle, with each year corresponding to a particular animal sign. The signs are the rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. Each animal sign is associated with certain personality traits, strengths, weaknesses, and tendencies. Additionally, Chinese astrology uses the elements of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water to further refine the characteristics of each sign. Astrology is often used to gain insight into relationships, career choices, health, and other areas of life. It can also be used to provide guidance and direction in decision-making. However, it is important to note that astrology should not be used as a substitute for professional advice, and that personal responsibility and free will still play a significant role in shaping one's life. Critics of astrology argue that it lacks scientific evidence and that there is no causal relationship between the movements of celestial bodies and human affairs. However, proponents argue that astrology is a complex and nuanced system that requires a deep understanding of its principles and techniques in order to be properly practiced. In conclusion, astrology is a complex and ancient system of divination that has been used for thousands of years to gain insight into human affairs and the natural world. While it has its critics, many people still find value and meaning in the study and practice of astrology. Whether you are a skeptic or a believer, astrology remains a fascinating and enduring subject of study. Astrology is the study of the movements and relative positions of celestial bodies, such as the sun, moon, planets, and stars, and how they impact human affairs and the natural world. It has been practiced for thousands of years across many different cultures and has evolved into several different branches of study, including Western astrology, Vedic astrology, and Chinese astrology. Western astrology is perhaps the most well-known form of astrology in the Western world. It is based on the tropical zodiac, which is divided into 12 signs, each corresponding to a particular constellation in the sky. The signs are Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. Each sign is associated with certain personality traits, strengths, weaknesses, and tendencies. Additionally, each sign is ruled by a particular planet or celestial body, which can provide further insight into a person's personality and life path. One of the main tools used in Western astrology is the natal chart, also known as a birth chart or horoscope. This chart is created based on the date, time, and location of a person's birth and provides a snapshot of the positions of the planets and other celestial bodies at the time of their birth. The chart can be used to gain insight into a person's personality, strengths, weaknesses, and life path. Vedic astrology, also known as Jyotish, is a form of astrology that originated in ancient India. It is based on the sidereal zodiac, which is slightly different from the tropical zodiac used in Western astrology. Vedic astrology uses many of the same tools as Western astrology, including the natal chart, but also incorporates other techniques, such as the use of nakshatras or lunar mansions, and dasas or planetary periods.